early 60s C2 second generation Corvette, red and white. Yeah, I got more cars that keep coming. Pretty good turnout, despite the cloudy weather. There's a modern Bentley and a Mercedes.
With my baby, it's like falling apart. The door like falls off. He like leans up against it.
6th or 7th generation Corvette. Modern muscle.
Oh yeah.
Good Chevy pickup. 69 Camaro. The 80 square body Chevy pickup. And 1969 Corvette RT. With a vintage license plate from the 70s, late 60s and the early 70s. I could always like the fan window. Yeah, I'm also, speaking of this, looking forward to the Carlisle in mid-July. They'll be showing like these. All Chrysler National. Dodge Corvette RT. Dual exhaust, vintage license plate, like a time capsule. Automatic. I also like that center console design. You got the thermometer, RPM, temperature gauge, speedo. Very simple. Bucket seat, final. Automatic. It's been to the Lebanon Valley Dragway, Lebanon, New York, on Route 20, West Lebanon. That's I believe it's near Albany area. 440. Or some modification, not original, but. There's a Caddy convertible, 68, no, 66. Got a pretty good turnout. This is my favorite right here. Totally blue, convertible, inside and out. Airbrush, 396 turbojet, airbrush. Got some modern wheels and rotor. It's automatic. Caddy convertible, just drove right in. Oh, a couple of caddies. And another Chevy pickup.
He's coming in the
Square body, 84. Just over 40 years old. Okay, lock it in. Beautiful artwork. Horses. Check it out. '67 Chevrolet Chevelle SS with 396. Pretty good turnout so far. At Snowtop in Manlius, New York, at the local classic car show.